Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to integrate affiliate conversions in PropellerAds. Log into your PropellerAds account. In your account, go to Tracking. Select the option Other Tracker or CPA Network. Copy the S2S Postback URL from your PropellerAds account. Paste your URL in a text writer and find the AID and TID parameters. You'll have to copy and paste them separately in your We Can Track account. Log into your We Can Track account. Go to Data Sources and Websites. Edit Website and click Show More Integrations. You can now place the TID and AID in the correct fields. After that's done, please click Save and Integrate. Go to Features and enable the PropellerAds integration. Create a new campaign in PropellerAds. After adding your campaign URL, you have to add a click ID parameter. To do that, in the section Target URL, click on Click ID to add a click ID parameter. Rename the parameter to the one we are showing in the video subtitle. Save your new campaign and you're all set. Don't forget to check out our other integration videos.